you liked it, you put a ring on it. Now you've got a whole bunch of legal things to think about. For example, do you want to have a traditional ceremonial or formal marriage, or do you want to roll the dice on a common law marriage, which are sometimes recognized by state statutes, and sometimes not? And if you find yourself with a runaway bride or groom, some states will allow you to soothe your broken heart with a breach of promise lawsuit. After all, nothing says true love like suing your fiancé. If all goes well, you'll be getting a marriage license and marriage certificate, which is the actual document proving that you're married. In most states, you can apply for a marriage license through the clerk's office in person, or in some counties, online. The same applies for same-sex marriage, which is legal in every U.S. state, so long as the couple is married in a jurisdiction with legal authority to authorize the marriage. But before you sign on the legally binding dotted line, you may want to consider a prenup, which is an agreement between prospective spouses in writing and signed by both parties that dictates what happens to your assets if your love fizzles out. Did you rush to the altar? Have no fear. You and your spouse can create a postnuptial agreement, which is like a prenup, but made after getting married. A postnup must be in writing and signed by both parties voluntarily to be enforceable. Other things to think about are whether or not you'll be changing your name once you receive your marriage certificate, or maybe your marriage is over already, in which case you may be considering an annulment. The grounds for annulment vary from state to state, so be sure to check your state statutes. There's a lot more to consider, so if you need free legal information on marriage written in plain English, and for help finding the right lawyer when necessary, visit LegalFix.com.